Through the first half of the day fairly quickly. I am Aditya. I am a product manager currently at Google, a part of the payments team. Within the payments team, we are a part of the anti-financial crimes team. Basically, we prevent financial fraud, right? And if any of you guys here has ever attempted any kind of fraud on Google Pay or any other places, we are the guys who try to kind of block you out of the system. Outside of fraud, we also look into a bunch of other things in terms of compliance, in terms of risk, etc. Right? So we basically look at the entire spectrum when it comes to payments. Before Google, I had a couple of startups of my own. I was pretty much one of you guys about 17, 18 years ago. Did my college in Hyderabad, ended up starting a startup by chance, which ended up becoming a company then, and then sort of did fairly well. Anyways, that's long and short about me. What we are talking about now in the next 20-25 minutes is I'm going to quickly run you guys through overall, Gen AI, the landscape. I'm assuming a lot of us are already familiar with this space. But we'll touch upon multiple aspects of Gen AI and where it is, right? Okay. Yep, so this is something I pulled up, generated in about 45 seconds this morning while everybody was in the queue. So this is the power of Gen AI in terms of where we are at today. So three parts to the conversation today, where, like I said, we'll quickly touch upon the overview and where we are at. What does Gen AI truly mean? Talk a little bit about how we can create things on Gen AI. What are the guardrails? What are the frameworks and systems and processes that we essentially need to follow and keep a track of? And third one is, truly enabling Gen AI from a business perspective and scaling Gen AI to orgs or business use cases, right? Okay, so how many of you guys think like this is a image from maybe it's a little pixelated, but image from a movie or an anime movie versus generated through prompts, right? And maybe you can take a guess of what the prompt may also look like. So the prompt here that I was trying to, just think about is basically it's a weekend. So I have serious things on the, on the prompt. So it's basically a man talking in a bar at night, standing at the counter, holding a beer and several people listening to him. That's the prompt, and this is the image that I could generate, right? Quick check, right? What kind of business value do you think Gen AI is going to have on our industry in general? Right? We keep hearing that everything is going to get disrupted, everything is going to get transformed. The world is shifting, things are changing, etc. But in reality, what's the impact that we are essentially looking at?